Good morning and happy Monday to you, my friends. So if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag, and let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Alrighty, friends, really quickly, look here. What does this mean? Today is recitation day. That means you guys can have your video uploaded. I am super duper excited because I get to see you guys perform your recitation. So let's just go ahead and practice it one more time, because after that, my friends, we're not going to do recitation until our new month. So let's go ahead. Very first thing, title and the author. Okay, where are your hands? Sides, in your pockets, or behind your back? How should you be standing? Like this? How about like this? No, please make sure that you are standing nice and tall. What kind of voice should you have? Should you speak like a rabbit? Should you be speaking like a robot? Speaking like a mouse. What kind of voice? A normal voice that is projected. And your eyes are on the audience, and the audience's eyes are on you. So here we go, friends. The Cow by Robert Louis Stevenson. The friendly cow, all red and white, I love with all my heart. She gives me cream with all her might to eat with apple tart. She wanders lowing here and there, and yet she cannot stray. All in the pleasant open air, the pleasant light of day, and blown by all the winds that pass, and wet with all the showers. She walks among the meadow grass and eats the meadow flowers. And make sure you take your bow. Alrighty, friends, here we go. It is now time for morning meeting. And of course, if you are student of the day, the very first thing you will do is turn the clock to morning. And then if you were student of the day, of course, you would write your name. But Mrs. Harrell is student of the day right now. So make sure that you are paying plenty of attention, because when you return, of course, when it's safe, you will be student of the day. When Mrs. Harrell says, all righty, my friends, you are on. That means it is your turn. All right, so here we go. This whole thing is called a calendar. This is called the month. And what month are we in? September. And this is called the year. And what year are we in? 2020. Now, friends, if yesterday was Sunday, then that means today is Monday. We have to take our friend off because today is recitation day. But let's go ahead and do our days of the week really quickly. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And let's go ahead and do our months of the year very quickly. And we're going to start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And let's go ahead and count our months of the year ordinally. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. Now, which month, what ordinal number is, let's see. What ordinal number is April? What ordinal number is April? If you said fourth, ta-da, you are correct. April is the fourth month. And what ordinal number would December be? What ordinal number would December be? If you said 12, ding, 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 you are correct. Alrighty, friends, let's go ahead and do our numbers because it looks like we have a number today missing. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. But before we put our 28 there, let's go ahead and do our A-B pattern. But for time constraint, friends, let's go ahead and start right here. Square, circle, 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 square, and a circle. And number are we looking for? 28. And what? 2 digits are in 28? A 2 and an 8. So let's go ahead and place that there on our calendar. Go. All right, so now we have to write today's date. But what is the very, very first thing we have to do? What is the very, very first thing we have to do to write our date? Very, very first thing we have to do is write what? The month, followed by the date and the year. Again, the month, the date, and the year. So go ahead and help me with the letters in the month. Now remember, friends, when you are student of the day, I will also expect that everyone helps you write whatever month it is, and then also to write it exactly how I have been teaching you, of where our uppercase letters are, where our lowercase letters are, and how we write our numbers. Okay, so here we go. Please help me with the very first letter, which is capital S, or we can say uppercase S, followed by E, P, T, but we need to add a Danilian T, as we do Danilian writing here. E, M, we need a monkey tail on that one. B, E, and finally R. Now you see, my friends, I want you to pay close attention to where my letters are positioned. All of my lowercase letters are underneath the dotted line. Okay, my uppercase letter starts at the top, goes all the way to the bottom. And what 2 digits am I going to write today? Finger space, a 2 and an 8. Yeah, and 2 and an 8 makes what number? 28, followed by, comma is a comma number, space. Then we are going to write the digits in the year, so help me. 2, 0, 2, and a 0. And I want you to look at the date, friends. See how my number starts at the top, goes all the way to the bottom. Okay, when you return, friends, I shouldn't see this. Let me show you. These are called floating numbers. Ay, ay, ay. That looks terrible, right? So make sure that You write your numbers just like we practice writing our numbers when we are doing our math. Okay, now really quickly, friends, let's go ahead and graph our days in school. How many days were we here the last time? On Friday. How many days? 37. That was Friday. So if we were here 37 days on Friday, what would today be? Oh, I hear 38, but let's go ahead and have Mr. Ted and Mrs. Ones help us. Okay, so please go ahead and help me. 10, 20, 30. I keep getting Mr. Ted's. Oh, no, okay. Ones? Okay, Mrs. Ones. Okay, 30, 31, 32, 33. Where is Mrs. Ones? Mrs. Ones? Mrs. Ones, where are you? Oh, where is she? Okay, I have 34, 35. Keep going. 36, 37. Keep going. 38. Do I keep going? Ah, okay. Yeah. I'll stop. All right. So now let's go ahead and graph 38 on our days in school. Graph. Okay. Let me move this over. All right. So are we going to add any numbers to our hundreds column? No. How about our tens column? Well, let's see how many groups of tens we have. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 groups of tens. So we have 3 Mr. Tens. And let's see how many Mrs. Ones. So count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will write the number 8 in Mrs. One's column. And I want you to see how I also wrote my numbers here from the top all the way to the bottom. So let's look at our days in school tag and see if it matches. Well, it says 38. But let's hold it over our days in school graph. Do we have 3 Mr. Tens? 8 Mrs. Ones? So how many days have we been in school? 38. Whoa, that is a lot of days, friends. That is excellent. Now, really quickly, we have a couple of new things added to our morning meeting board. So let's look up here. Oh, I'm not sure if you had already spotted it, my friends. But up here, someone has started a pattern for us. So this is called today's pattern. And every day we're going to start we'll be doing some patterns. There will be missing numbers. So let's go ahead and count and see if we can figure out what is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you know how we're counting? Yeah, we are counting by ones. Good job. All right, let's go back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Let's go back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, friends, let's see if we have completed our pattern. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta-da! We sure did. Now we have one more exciting thing added to our morning meeting board, and I am like super duper excited because today I get to introduce to you our, hold on. It was stuck there for just a second. Our and in our our coin cup, we have some coins. So starting today, friends, every morning, there will be some coins in our coin cup. So when you are student of the day and you come back, you get to add our coins into the coin cup, and the rest of us will count the coins alongside with you, but we can't count ahead. We have to wait until we hear the sound of the coin being dropped into the cup. So like this, listen. Did you hear that? Okay, so that's when we say the number that follows. So don't count ahead of time. All right, so let's try this together and see how many coins are in our coin cup. But before we do that, friends, do you guys know what that is called? I think I taught you this before. This is the cent sign. Yeah, it is a C, and then it just has a line going down the middle of it. So let's see how many coins are in our coin cup. Remember, you can't count until you hear the coin drop into the cup. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? 7 cents. There are 7 cents in our cup. And friends, this is called a what? This is a penny, and a penny is worth how many cents? 1 cent. And when we count pennies, we count by ones. All right, so now, right here, friends. Okay, you see where it says coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. Right there, we would write a 7, and then we are going to write the cent sign. So it is a C and a line drawn down the middle. Then we also have some pennies here. Let's go ahead and count and see if these pennies that are on our meeting board are the same amount that are in our coin cup. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cents. Yes, indeedy, it matches. Now, because we are starting our coins, we get to learn a song. And you know how I feel about songs. It just makes me bananas, right? Because I love songs. And I know you love songs too. So listen to my song. I'm going to sing it, and then you sing along with me, okay? And if you don't get it today, that is okay, my friends, because we're going to be doing it every single day. So you're going to learn it. All right, so here we go. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is 1. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. And a quarter's 25. And a dollar is 100 cents. So every day we're going to sing that song, okay? So it is giving you some information, friends. It is telling you that a penny is worth 1 cent. See that here? 1 cent. A nickel is worth 5 cents. That means there are 5 little dots here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A dime is worth 10 cents, and there are 10 dots in here. And a quarter is worth 25 cents, and this means they're half of a dollar, but we'll get into that later. But when I say 25 cents and I do like this, the reason I do that is because how much is this? 10. And then 10 more, well, 10 plus 10 equals 20, 20, that is plenty. Okay, so 10, 25. That's why I do that. All right. Okay, friends, let's go ahead and count by tens. Here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And let's go ahead and count by fives. And remember, we're not going to stop right here. We're going to keep going up higher and higher. So here we go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, now before I let you go, my friends, I hope you have been practicing your math facts because it is very important. Today, during our math live session, you are going to bring your math fact class practice. We are going to do a timing today, so don't do it ahead of time. All right. If you are practicing, you should not be freaking out. And remember that I don't expect you to know all of them within 5 minutes if you don't have that done yet. Because the more we practice, the better we get. But if you're not practicing, are you going to get better? Well, no. So please make sure that you are practicing. So here we go. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Oh, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh, 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Swell. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Really keen. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20. That is plenty. Alrighty, friends. So please be prepared. Bring your pencil and just have your crayons because I don't know what color we're going to choose yet. But just be prepared. Alrighty, friends. I'll see you in a bit. Bye.